Hi, I'm Brock Tunnicliffe and I work in the Victorian water sector, where I've spent the last several years exploring how emerging technologies can improve the way we operate, serve our communities, and plan for the future. I currently lead the technology program at Intelligent Water Networks. Before this, I was the lead for the Edge Technologies program, but we've recently made some important changes. We've restructured, redefined our streams, and refocused the program to better align with the real challenges and opportunities facing the sector. Here's what the new structure looks like and what we're building towards. The IWN's technology program is our renewed commitment to harnessing innovation across the water industry. We've recently restructured what was formerly known as the Edge Technologies program into a sharper, more focused framework, now known simply as the Technology Program. This new structure is built around four key streams: customer technology, which explores apps, gamification, and better digital experiences; emerging tech, covering AI, robotics, and virtual and augmented reality; safety innovation, focused on wearable tech, virtual safety simulations, and field-based trials; and diversity and inclusion technology, which applies inclusive designs and assistive technologies to support a more accessible and representative workforce. Each stream has its own lead and set of targeted initiatives, all aligned to IWN's strategic mission of driving customer engagement, inclusivity, operational excellence, and sector-wide transformation. We're also proud to welcome Martin Anker from Taswater as the Deputy Lead for the Technology Program, working alongside me to support the vision, shape delivery, and strengthen collaboration across utilities. Our roadmap is already underway. In 2025, we'll be launching trials like an AI assistant to help teams navigate complex technical documents through the AI Sandbox trial, a VR safety and design toolkit, a gamified innovation workshop, and inclusive tech pilots. This is about more than tech. It's about shaping how the water industry works, learns, and evolves. If you're interested in getting involved, collaborating on trials, or exploring new ideas, we'd love to connect. Thank you. One of the most exciting initiatives in our emerging tech stream is the development of a purpose-built AI sandbox, a secure offline environment where we can safely trial large language models for real-world water industry challenges. The sandbox is designed to give utilities a low-risk, high-control space to explore the possibilities of AI without uploading sensitive documents to the cloud or relying on external platforms. We'll be testing multiple large language models, including open source options like Llama and Mistral, to see how each performs in specific use cases. That might mean helping a field worker quickly interpret a maintenance procedure, summarizing key insights from long technical reports, or turning risk documentation into practical, plain English guidance. Each use case will help us understand not just how these tools work, but where they actually add value in daily operations. Because the system runs entirely on-premise, it ensures data sovereignty and regulatory alignment, crucial for water utilities dealing with confidential infrastructure, safety and compliance material. The sandbox also lets us tailor the experience to real end users, letting engineers, asset planners, and safety teams try the tools hands-on and tell us what works, what's missing, and what could improve. Ultimately, this trial is about learning through doing, exploring the real potential of AI in the sector without risking trust, security, or control. It's about moving beyond hype and into informed, ethical adoption. The insights we gain here will help shape a shared position on AI across the industry, so we're ready to scale the right tools in the right ways at the right time. One of the more imaginative trials in the customer technology stream is HydroHack, a gamified scenario-driven card game built to disrupt how we think about data, technology, and the future of the water sector. Set in the year 2030, HydroHack drops participants into a post-stability world where climate shifts are real, water is sacred, and data is the most powerful tool we have. But this isn't a dry simulation, it's a data-powered riot. Players take on secret roles: the dreamers, the crisis team, the hackers, the mythmakers, and a challenge to rethink everything. What if your utility wasn't just smart, but sentient? What if your SCADA system started talking back? What if your most absurd idea might actually work? Teams receive 3 activity cards, each one a challenge rooted in real issues: water scarcity, environmental degradation, or infrastructure collapse. Hidden datasets, forgotten tools, or outlandish Gen AI provocations. The need to gamify water saving or automate trust itself. In just 20 minutes, they must dream up and pitch bold, creative solutions. No filters, no feasibility constraints. The wilder, the better, because sometimes the most absurd idea sparks the most practical breakthrough. HydroHack is more than a game. It's a wake-up call, a chance to stretch thinking, break patterns, and unlock imagination in a space where failure is fun and imagination is mandatory. The future we could model? It might start with a card in your hand and a ridiculous idea that just might work. At the heart of everything I've shared today is a simple idea that innovation isn't just about technology. It's about people, creativity, and collaboration. The technology program is here to create a space for all of that, whether it's gamified workshops, AI sandbox trials, or inclusive tech pilots. This is your invitation to be part of it. We're just getting started, and the future's wide open. So if something sparked a thought, if you want to explore an idea, or you're just curious, reach out. We'd love to build it with you.